Another standard Class 5. This one, number 73137, was fitted with the same type of valve gear as Duke of Gloucester, Caprotti valve gear. It was on a parcels train to Marylebone. On Volume 1, we paid a visit to Muscombe Shops on the East Coast Main Line. We revisit Muscombe and see A1 number 60126 on a Down Express. Last time at Muscombe we saw Wild Swan. Here it is again. .60156 was one of the 4 Class A1s which were fitted with roller bearings. It's seen here on an up motor rail train. A little south of Muscombe, this is V2 number 60852. Double-chimneyed Black 5, number 44765, was waiting to return to the south coast from Coventry with this cathedral special. Another Black 5 at Coventry. This was the 1801 working to Rugby. A third Black, number 44715, spent most of its working life shedded at Rugby. High Dyke was south of Grantham on the East Coast Main Line. It was where the ore trains joined the main line, and this one was behind cylinder 280-02 class, number 63968. Coventry Station again, and this northbound express was appropriately hauled by 46240, City of Coventry. A BR standard Class 4 locomotive. This 1938-built Collet 280 with a side window cab was a rebuild of a former Churchwood design. It's seen at Oxford. Also at Oxford was Flying Scotsman on a southbound special train. Complete with the Devon Bell observation car. A few miles south of Oxford was Didcot. This is a castle on the avoiding line. Volume 3 has been a little thin on the ground for ex-Southern Region locomotives. However, here is one. It's a rebuilt West Country class. Still at Didcot, two 1928-built halls, numbers 4908 and 4910, and another passes heading south. This one is a modified hall of 1944. A Class 96 pannier tank. A castle with a single chimney. And another pannier tank passes this castle with a double chimney. Another Collet 280. Flying Scotsman returned north via Leamington and Warwick, and is seen here passing Budbrook. We end Volume 3 at Banbury. This is Castle Class 460 locomotive number 5063, Earl Baldwin, on an up express. Followed by Surrey Castle on a non-stop train. 42176, a Fairburn 264 tank engine, had arrived from Woodford House on the Great Central. And finally, this is Powys Castle on a down train.